Come on up. Have a seat right over here where it says pro. Oh, thanks. Alright, this is an emergency strap here, man. You don't want to touch it unless you wave the orange flag.
Only touch this one, right?
Only if I wave orange flag. That's the only time you touch it. You guys hold down here. Don't touch the metal.
Okay.
Bend your knees. Stacy, do you guys want to dip or stay dry?
Down.
Birthday baptisms?
Yeah.
Alright. The last one of the day always has the biggest dunk.
Mag-i-hold mo yan.
No, naka-hold siya sa ano.
Bakit ba slow mo?
Slow mo na talaga.
Okay.
Saan ka nakaupo?
Ha?
Kaya pala, hindi nakaupo ako saan.
Bakit ba down mo?
It's alright.
Say.
Hi!
We're doing parasailing. Woo! Oh! Uy! Batang layo! Oh my god!
Hold it.
Oh! Oh my god! Kakatakot! Me! Hala, ba't ang layo?
Ba't parang taas natin?
Ha? Kaya nga, feeling ko. Oh my gosh. Ha?
Hindi ako sanay sa height eh.
Hindi sa... Are you okay? Oh, huy, ba't ang layo? Look at guys. Ang layo namin.